Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you.
Where's a good angle? Okay, it's coming from that way. Rihanna? Oh, it's gonna come out the box? Oh, it's gonna come out of the balloon. I hope he didn't say nothing. It's not a boy. Boy. That was a trick. She tricked her. That was a trick.
Mary was getting mad about some 2 colors.
Hey, she like, hold on now.
No, not 2. Hey, they ain't got to worry about having no more.
It's blue.
I know you wanted your boy. I know you wanted.
Nephew! Hey, Jaden, now you gonna be able to say, you better money? You owe him $100? 50? Oh. Destiny, we're having a boy.
We're having a boy. Team Blue. Team Blue.
Team Blue.
You only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tasting with the fade, not you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tasting with the fade, not the air, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a late
Sunday dinner. I'm making pot roast, and my husband, of course, baked fish. But he's gonna have like the vegetables that usually go in a pot roast: potatoes, onions, carrots, celery, things like that. But his is gonna be in a separate dish because, of course, the pot roast that the twins and I are gonna eat are gonna be in with our meat, and he's not gonna eat anything marinated in meat juice. So that is what I'm doing right now. About to cut up these potatoes. The thing is, I have frozen my pot roast. What happened is I put it in the freezer so it wouldn't go. I put it in the freezer so it wouldn't go bad because I knew I wasn't gonna cook it right away when I first bought it. But now the potatoes, like the pot roast that I got, came with the potatoes already in there and the vegetables pre-packaged or whatever. But now soggy now that I've unthawed it. So I'm glad I have my own potatoes and just different vegetables and things of that nature. So that way I'm gonna just have to use my own. I rinse my potatoes off. Now I'm just gonna start cutting them up.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over,
'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
This is how it looks after it's all seasoned. It's about to go into the oven. Of course, I'm gonna add some of this to the roast that's in the oven, and then my husband's will be put in here separately. So yeah, but yeah, I had some celery downstairs. I forgot. I buy celery because I like to eat it with ranch, and I forgot I had celery. I didn't have any extra carrots, but I definitely had some celery that I had forgotten about. And I do veggies. So this is a partially cooked roast that I have added. I removed it from the oven to add the veggies in there. And this is the hubby veggies. His fish is in a separate cooking dish in the oven. But yeah, I'm about to foil these up and pop them both into the oven. Guys, I'm finishing up with my Sunday dinner. Food is in the oven. I am just cleaning up behind myself right now. I actually recorded a video. So if you guys see this video and you're wondering, and you see the other video as well, which I hope you do see both. Okay, so just make sure, you know, it was all on the same day. It's gonna be uploaded separately, but it's, you know, y'all gonna be like, why she on the same outfit? That would be why, sis. I didn't make my cornbread yet. I gotta make my cornbread. But I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers in the background, you guys, Pretty Bree MUA. If y'all don't watch her, make sure y'all check her out. But I'm sure most of y'all do. But yeah, check her out if y'all don't though. But let me make this cornbread. I'm gonna make my husband a piece of corn. Because all I have for him is fish, the potatoes and carrots with the celery. And I feel like he needs another side, so I'm just making a piece of corn real quick. A piece of corn on the cob. So I'm boiling the water for that. Mixing up this one little measly box of cornbread. They're gonna eat this all in one. It's just not gonna be enough. But it's all good. This is, yeah, well, guess what? This is pork roast, not roast beef. Which I didn't realize that, but it still tastes good. I have tasted it, and I'm not even gonna tell the girls it's pork roast and not roast beef, because if I tell the girls that it's pork roast and not roast beef, they'll just like not want it, and we ain't playing them games. No, I cooked it, y'all gonna eat it. I bought it, y'all gonna eat it. So yeah, it's roast beef, y'all. Don't tell nobody that it's not. Okay? They just picky like that. They weird like that. So it is time to eat and watch a movie with the hubby. I will say I'm disappointed that this is pork roast and not roast beef, but I will make sure I read my packaging next time. But it's good. I'm not gonna lie, I already tasted it. It is good, but I just prefer roast beef, not pork. All right, now, loves, I'm really excited that you guys decided to click on this video because this was my daughter's gender reveal. Yes, I said my daughter, my baby. She's not a baby. She's 25 years old, but she is having my grandbaby. But I don't know what I'm going to have this child calling me, y'all, because Nana, something like that. I don't know, because I'm too fine and too young to be called somebody's grandma. No, I'm just playing, y'all. Serious though, for real. But no, so I just appreciate you guys. Make sure you continue to support me. Go back and watch some of my previous videos, rate, comment, and subscribe. Continue motivating me, keeping me motivated to upload videos, and I will continue to inspire you as well. Until next time, bye, loves. Deuces.